this video, we'll be discussing the Tusk adjustable lift stand for your motorcycle. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified of new content. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors. Hey, today we'll be discussing the Tusk multi-adjustable lift stand for your motorcycle. I paid about $85 for this at Rocky Mountain ATV and MC. I had traditionally been using this one here that you kind of lift your motorcycle up on it, muscle it up. One of the reasons I'm looking at making a change is I did have shoulder surgery recently from a big wreck that we had at Iron Mountain. And I'm turning 50 and I just don't know that I feel like I want to muscle this thing up anymore. I'm 6 feet tall, so height's not an issue. It's just, I just got out of the sling, have a plate put in here, and at this point I just don't want to put any more stress on there than it's already going to be put on. So I jumped on the site here, I saw a couple of videos on this, and I thought it might be good to kind of go do a quick review of this. It's a pretty simple product. Again, it costs $85. And it doesn't do a lot. It basically, you put your motorcycle up on it, and you just kind of push down and it lifts up. It's really, really simple. Let's kind of look at a couple things really quick. One, when you first buy this, it does come unassembled. Here is a quick video of me assembling this thing. It was a little more in depth than I thought it was going to be. Let's go ahead and kick that off. Boom. Well, here's the end product. I got a little mud on my bike. I haven't had a chance to wash it off since I got hurt. We're going to give that a go this weekend. So I tested this out just a little bit ago after I put it together, so a little bit of mud. So give me a break on that. So at the bottom here, you really just have a spindle where you can adjust this thing up or down. And then you've got a lock right here. And that really is it. It's really that simple. So in order to do the operation, you really just put this and slide it underneath the bike like so. And let's put this off to the side. And this really doesn't require a lot of effort. Just kind of get your stand under here like you've always done. Basically put your foot on here and just lift. Not a lot of effort at all. It stands up there and does what it's supposed to do. Wheels are off the ground. We take a look around. Pretty simple. Again, we can go up and down on this. It has plenty of flexibility. One thing I did add is I did add some grease to the bottom of there because that is metal on metal, and I found it was moving around a little bit. Kind of the last feature of this is there is a tray right here, so if you're doing work, you can put nuts and bolts in there. But to lift this thing up, it is, I'm in flip-flops, but it is simple as putting your foot in here and pops down. Bike is loose. You want to put it back up, put down, and we are good to go. And that is it. Again, this is the Tusk adjustable motorcycle stand that I bought at Rocky Mountain ATV. And hey, if you like this kind of content, and it is so hot here in Georgia right now, I'm sweating profusely, go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified of new content. Thanks again for your time. Have a great day.